Are you looking for the quickest way to lose belly fat in 2 weeks? You're not alone. With summer just around the corner, many people are looking to shed a few pounds, and losing belly fat is one of the most common goals. Fortunately, there are a number of effective exercises that you can do to help you lose belly fat in 2 weeks. In this video, we'll share with you some of the best exercises that you can do to achieve the flat stomach of your dreams in just 2 weeks. So keep watching this video more about the quickest way to lose belly fat in 2 weeks. 1. Start with a clean diet. If you want to lose belly fat in 2 weeks, then the first step is to start with a clean diet. This means avoiding processed and unhealthy foods as much as possible and focusing on eating whole, nutrient-dense foods. Foods that are high in fiber, lean protein, and healthy fats are excellent for helping to lose belly fat. Whole grains, legumes, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds are all great options to incorporate into your diet. Additionally, it's important to stay away from sugary drinks, such as soda and juices, which can add extra calories to your diet. Instead, drink plenty of water throughout the day to help your body burn fat and stay hydrated. 2. Incorporate HIIT exercises. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is one of the best ways to lose belly fat in 2 weeks. HIIT is a form of exercise that alternates between high and low-intensity activities. This type of workout helps to build up your stamina and burn more calories in a shorter amount of time than traditional cardio. Some HIIT exercises you can do to help lose belly fat include burpees, jumping jacks, mountain climbers, and sprints. Doing HIIT exercises for 20 minutes a few times a week can help you to see results quickly. To make it more challenging, you can add weights to your routine or increase the number of repetitions. When doing HIIT exercises, it is important to keep proper form. Make sure that you are not overexerting yourself, as this could lead to injury. You should also take regular breaks throughout the workout so that your body can recover from the intense activity. By following these tips, you can be sure that you are getting the most out of your HIIT routine. 3. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated is key when it comes to losing belly fat in 2 weeks. Drinking plenty of water helps your body regulate its temperature, lubricate joints, and flush out toxins. Try to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day, or more if you're active. Additionally, incorporating infused water can help you reach your daily water intake goals. Infused waters are refreshing, and adding fruits such as lemons, limes, oranges, and cucumbers can give them a delicious twist. It's important to keep your body hydrated so that it can properly regulate your metabolism and burn calories. 4. Sleep more. Getting enough sleep is an important part of losing belly fat in 2 weeks. It's recommended that you get 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Not getting enough sleep can lead to increased stress levels and make it harder for your body to lose weight. Sleep deprivation can also cause hormonal imbalances that can slow down your metabolism. To ensure you get enough rest, create a sleep schedule and stick to it. Try going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, including on weekends. It may also help to avoid screens, such as smartphones and laptops, before bedtime, as the blue light they emit can disrupt your circadian rhythm. You can also practice good sleep hygiene by creating a relaxing bedroom environment. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Consider using blackout curtains, noise machines, or fans to achieve this. Taking a hot bath or reading a book before bed can also help you relax and fall asleep more easily. By getting enough sleep, you'll be able to reduce stress levels, boost your metabolism, and help your body burn more calories throughout the day. This will make it easier for you to lose belly fat in 2 weeks. 5. Don't forget cardio. Cardio is an important part of any fitness routine, and it can be especially effective for losing belly fat. Doing regular cardio can help you burn more calories and get your heart rate up. This will help you burn more fat in the long run and speed up your progress toward a flat stomach. When you're doing cardio, try to choose activities that you enjoy so that you don't lose motivation. This could include running, walking, cycling, or even dancing. You can also vary your workout by doing interval training, which alternates between periods of intense exercise and low-intensity exercise. Incorporating cardio into your routine can help you lose belly fat in 2 weeks, but don't forget to incorporate other forms of exercise too. This will help you to target other areas of your body and give you a balanced workout. If you have access to a gym, you can also try some machines that focus on working your abdominal muscles, such as the elliptical or rowing machine.